What's your name again?
My name is Thandolwenkosi. I'm a 25-year-old lady.
Because I can see you've been farming here. Why are you farming at a young age like this?
I have seen that there is future in this ground. There is a reason why there is this ground, why there is farming, because everything comes from the ground. So I believe that if I do this at a young age, then I will enjoy it. There is no way I can get out of here.
So what do you normally farm here?
We are farming maize here. We have got this grass to feed the cows.
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
And they can see the also goats and cows here.
Yes, everything.
So you look after all these things?
Yeah, I can't actually that I look after them, but we have got brothers here that are helping us. All I do is managing, while my sister is far away. I come here and say that she gave these orders, and then I make sure that all those orders she has given us, we respect them and follow them. Yes.
As a youth yourself, some people of your age won't come to a rural area or in the farms to do such a job. What's the secret behind this?
I think it's all about being humble, knowing where you want to go. Because if I didn't know what I want to do in life, I wouldn't be here. I would be sitting in town watching TV. Of course, at home we do have TV, but I had to dedicate myself, leave something for something that matters. Because while I'm working here, I'm working for my fees.
You're working for your fees.
Yes.
Tell us, you started up to when?
I wrote my O-level in 2015. Then he went on to do my A-level, and then I completed in 2017. That's when I left my dad left me. I mean, he passed on. So I didn't have fees to carry on. So what I had to do, I had to stay, started looking for jobs here and there, thinking that it will work. But as a young girl, I ended up having a mistake. But which I can't say it's a mistake. Maybe it was a knock. Maybe it was a knock to a certain door that correct here.
Correct your mistake. You say your mistake is about having a child.
Yes, and I can't actually say that it's a mistake. I think it's a blessing from God, because He blessed me in a way I thought I've made a mistake.
To understand how life is.
Exactly, because having a child at my age, I wasn't young, but I had to take a responsibility.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm a single mom. Yes.
You said you were an orphan. You lost your mother. How old were you?
I was 3 years. 3 years old when I left my mom.
And your dad?
I was 18 years. And I think that fact I didn't have a mom. Because it's like I didn't have a mom for the rest of my life. It taught me that there is life out there that I have to look after. Yeah. Rather than crying to someone. I'm not used to that. Yeah.
So now you have experience in farming.
Yes.
Do you believe now if you're given your own land, you can do wonders?
I don't doubt myself. I trust myself a lot. With God helping me, with what I have done, with what I've been through, then all I have to do is to make myself and the world proud. Yes.
Some girls of your age are indulging in drugs, they are drinking heavily, and they're going around with different men and all together. A lot of people always believe that the orphans, they've got no control, they can do what they want. You have seen it?
Yeah, honestly, I can't judge those people. I can't say maybe that they are stupid and all that. Because as people, we go through a lot of things behind these smiles that you see on our face. You can see me smiling here. You don't know, maybe I'm sleeping on a wet pillow. But all I can say to those girls, that world that you are crying in the whole day, drinking drugs, is better. Because those drugs, in 5 years' time, they will kill you. Yes. Those men that maybe you are going without, everything, iPhone and stuff, at the end of the day, they are going to spend the rest of their life with their wives and their families. So it's all up to us as girls. We correct our mistakes. No one is going to take care of that. So I think as young girls, all we have to do is to correct ourselves. Learn from those mistakes of taking drugs and everything.